Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Where's Baby by Ann Hunter. Please enjoy.
Hey, there you are. Hi, what do you think? I thought it was great. You know, I mean, for the size of the house it is. But I tell you, the feel on the inside.
Where's Baby?
Looking at it from the outside. And I think there's a lot to do with it. And it's under budget.
Have you seen Baby, Mama Fox? Why? Baby must be somewhere, Papa Fox.
Something that, like the on the beach. And like goes in the sand.
I have some that I'd like to take a look at. It's a couple blocks from the beach.
Baby, are you indoors?
I'm really excited to show Mark this next fall.
Baby went out.
It's 3 blocks from the beach, so he can finally get his feet in the sand. Baby Breeze is listed at $260,000. This house is a real bargain. Consider houses that are right on the water there on Narragansett Bay. They're well over $1 million houses. I think he's going to really like this house. So here we are around Narragansett Beach. The house I'm taking to is like 3 blocks from here.
Baby, are you up in the tree?
So here we are in Baby Breeze's. Just a short walk.
I am up in the tree, but I am not your baby.
Wow, 260, I can't get over it. It's a bonus for me if I can find a bargain type house that's under budget.
It may have a little sprucing up you need to do, but you have
Baby, are you inside the log?
I'm not afraid of tackling anything. I want to break the
Baby's behind you. I am inside the log, but I'm not your baby. Go away. Baby, are you over the hill? Oh my. I am over the hill, but I am not your baby. I wonder why he just doesn't turn around and look. Baby, are you down the hole? Irk, Fox, help, help. Oh, never mind. Baby, are you under the water? I am under the water, but I'm not your baby.
I like it a lot. I've always had my eye on the house, and I love the fact that the bungalow was yours.
And at 260, you still make
Good heavens, that's not Baby. Baby, are you around the bend? I am around the bend, but I'm not your baby. I'm Davy. Mama Fox, I can't find Baby anywhere. Have you looked behind you, Papa Fox? Baby, where on earth have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. Hi, Papa. Can we do that again? I guess Baby wants. Baby! I guess Baby wants to play on it. On Daddy, huh? How many of you have ever had to play tricks on your parents? and have them look for you. Let me know with a thumbs up if you've ever done that before, and that your parents had to holler for you. Let me know with a thumbs up if you've done that. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got a lot. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a pleasant one and take care, everybody.